Dear Alex, Mom and I went to dinner with the Russells. The fuse in the garage is broken, so the motion sensor might make the garage door get stuck. Make sure it's closed before you go inside. We left you some money for pizza. See you soon, and be safe. Love, Dad. Hello everybody, my name is Wisecrew and welcome to Make Sure It's Closed. It's a simple objective really. We just have to make sure that the garage door is closed. I think it should be routine for everyone to make sure that their garage door is closed overnight. For safety and security reasons, as always. And sometimes it's easy to forget. So let's try not to forget to make sure that the garage is closed. We're going to press space to push the button. And we can use our mouse to look. Oh, that's our hand on the button, on the clicker. And we're going to press space. To make sure it's closed, of course. It seems like an intended safety feature is malfunctioning. Underneath most modern garages, there is a laser that is being used to make sure that there's nothing underneath the garage door as it is closing. It's useful if you have a dog or a small child. But in this case, it's not working as intended because it doesn't look like there's anything obstructing the path of the laser to cause this safety system to be working in the first place. So let's just hit the button again to see if the garage door will close correctly this time. Interesting. This time it stopped a lot earlier than before. Usually some garage systems indicate that the safety system has been triggered, sometimes by flashing a light. In this case, it's that yellow light on the bottom left of the garage. We're going to try one more time to close the garage door again. It seems like there has been a power loss that would cause the garage door to stop moving. We're going to look for a solution. I see. It seems that there's a person standing outside of the garage. I'm not sure what sound that is, however. Is that the sound of... okay. So it seems like there has been a mysterious figure that has been standing on the outside of our garage door as it was attempting to close, and then there was a sudden power loss. In this instance, I would abandon this room as for my safety as this mysterious figure approaches my house in the middle of the night. I would go inside and retreat to my house and use the garage door as my barricade to the outside world and lock that door instead of using the garage door, as I know it has been compromised. However, the mysterious figure has left my vision, and so I know that I'm going to close the door now. So I'm going to try one more time to close the garage door.